Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online as a work-from-home freelancer. So in the past few months, I've been talking a lot about ChatGPT and how we can use different AI tools to help us in our business. And today I want to show you a free plugin that I've discovered that I am so excited about. This plugin works directly with ChatGPT to deliver the best writing prompts that you can possibly get for whatever you need ChatGPT to do. So right now I could go on to ChatGPT and say, write an article about this, and ChatGPT will do it. However, sometimes you won't get the result you want, and that's because the writing prompt isn't as good as it could be. So we're going to use this completely free tool. I'm going to link you to this in the description below this video. It's called Keywords Everywhere Keyword Tool. Again, completely free. You're going to add it to Chrome. So you'll just click on the Add to Chrome button. Click Add Extension. Again, 100% free. And then it will say Keywords Everywhere has been added to Chrome. Okay, so now what you're going to do is re-log in to ChatGPT or just refresh the page. And you can see here that we now have a section called Templates, and up here as well, we have these options. So these options up here are great because let's say ChatGPT just stops. You could click Please Continue, Clarify, Exemplify, Expand, Explain, Rewrite, Shorten, or Tweetify. But today I want to talk to you about these options here, the templates. So we have Keywords Everywhere, ChatGPT Prompt Templates. So for example, we have 4 different categories: copywriting, marketing, SEO, and social media. And today I was experimenting and using the social media writing prompt option. So let's say you have a social media page and you want to create content for your social media and you just don't have time to individually write captions for all of your posts. We're going to choose here under subcategory. So you could choose Instagram or YouTube. You could also use this for your YouTube channel. If you see here, we've got the script creator, short script, titles and descriptions, YouTube transcript to article, but we're going to select Instagram for this demo. Select a template. I'm going to put generate Instagram caption. So now you can select your language, your voice tone. So you could say if it's caring, casual, cheerful, coarse, conservative. I'm going to put cheerful. And then your writing style, academic, analytical. I'm going to put creative. And now you're going to put the topic of the Instagram post. So I have another YouTube channel where I teach English as a second language or help people improve their English grammar. And I have a whole bunch of different posts that I created on Canva, with different expressions in English. Now, when I post these on my Instagram, I have to come up with captions every single time. So I use this feature to schedule a whole bunch of different captions in under 5 minutes. It's absolutely awesome. Okay, so for my topic, I put English idioms with the word silver. Every cloud has a silver lining, silver fox, and silver tongue. And you can see here's the prompt template that they have created for me, which is please ignore all previous instructions, respond only in English. You're an Instagrammer with a large fan following. You have a cheerful tone of voice. You have a creative writing style. They also tell ChatGPT to use unique emojis. And all we have to do is click execute template. And it's creating this awesome, colorful, fun post that I can use in my social media. So it says happy. The only problem is that they say happy Monday and this is Tuesday, but that's okay. Happy Monday, everyone. Let's start the week off with some silver idioms. Every cloud has a silver lining means that even in tough times, there's always something good to be found. Really just did this awesome little post for me. I love all the emojis. I spend so much time just copying and pasting emojis or trying to find the right emojis to use in my posts. And so this is just perfect. So I'm going to literally just copy this. And when I'm doing my social media planning, I often use the Meta Business Suite in Facebook because you can post directly to Instagram and to Facebook, but you could just copy and paste this directly into Instagram or Facebook or whatever you're using it for. And now I just have to paste this into the text section and it's going to go along perfectly with my little picture that I'm going to post. Honestly, this is so much more colorful and fun and like social media friendly than anything I have been putting on my social media for the past few months. You can see here, this is one I posted earlier today and I used those templates as well to create this post. So let's look at some of the other templates that this has. And there are so many. We can click on copywriting, for example, and let's click on content writing. And they even have a monthly content calendar. We click on that. Again, choose your voice tone and your writing style. Then we can choose the topic that you want content for. So let's say weight loss and nutrition, low carb, articles per week. Let's say 2 articles per week, the number of months, 12. They're going to tell us to please create a content calendar for 12 months using long tail keywords related to my topic. There should be 2 blog posts scheduled each week of the month. Every blog post should have a catchy and clickbait title. Let's just click execute template and see what it comes up with. Oh my goodness, look. This is incredible. So you can use something like this to help you come up with ideas, maybe for your YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel related to fitness or related to gaming or sports or history or whatever. You can use this to come up with ideas and to create a calendar for different ideas that you can create. And then you can go back into the templates again and use the article writer or the blog writing feature to get them to create you an article based on each of these topics. This is really just incredible, honestly. So here it just stopped in September, so I can just click here on please continue. And you can see now they've continued with October, November, and they've even categorized it, so in November, you've got the holidays and Christmas cookies and holiday sides like Thanksgiving and October, Halloween. It's really just so intelligent what it's coming up with. 2 blog posts per week for 12 months with each blog post focused on specific aspect of weight loss and nutrition. I mean, this is just a game changer, this type of software. Now we could say, write a 500-word article for December week 1 on, we can just say low carb Christmas recipes. Honestly, I'm really excited about this feature. These templates feature is absolutely amazing. The possibilities really are endless. And this is just such a great tool to be able to help you organize and plan and just give you ideas for content for your blog or for your website or for your YouTube channel or whatever it is. I do plan on creating a video soon teaching you how to create your own website, how to create your own blog, and, being able to use the ChatGPT and AI software to help us create content for that blog so much faster than we would be able to otherwise. So I encourage you guys to check out this templates feature and have a lot of fun with it. I'll be exploring it more as well. And if I see anything interesting about this, I will be sharing it with you. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.